Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are learning about arithmetic operators. Okay, what is the arithmetic operator? It is a basic math operators. Okay, first, first operator is addition. Next, subtraction. Next operator is multiplication. Next operation is division. Next is the modulus. Okay, let's I explain every operators. Okay, first I declare one variable. It is assign the value is 10. Okay, next I declare second variable. This value assign value is 20. Okay, next I print is first first I sh- first I I explain addition operator. Okay, system dot out dot print a plus b. Okay, now clearly understood. Okay, let's run the program. 13. Okay, okay, how to get the input from the user? Okay, I explain import java dot util dot star. Why is a star? Star is all common for all package. Okay, scanner num object, any name, whatever name is it, object new scanner system in. Okay, I declare two variables. Now create two variables. Okay, integer a is equal to object dot next int. Okay, first variable declare. Next variable declare int b is equal to obj dot next int. I declare second variable. Okay, now input from the now run it. Now two values input 10, 20, 30. Okay, now understood. Next is subtraction. Okay, I declare subtraction. I I run the program. Now 30 minus 20. What is output? 10. Understood? Okay. Next. What is the next? Next is multiplication. Now run it. Now 5, 7, 5, 8. Any number is 5, 8. What is the output? 40. Okay. It's a multiplication. No. Okay. How's the division? Division, what's the value give? Quotient. Okay, only give quotient. Now give 13 divided by 2. What is the output? 6. Okay, next you can understand 13 minus 13 divided by 2. What is the output? 12. 6.5. Okay, the 0.5 is not considered. Okay, the only print the integer. Okay, now whole value considered it. Okay, another input I give 12, 5. Okay, 5 12 divided by 5, what's the output? 2.25. Okay, Pro- around the value is 2. Okay, next, what is the modulo operator? I explain it. Is only consider is remainder value. Okay, now 10 modulo 2. 10 modulo 2, what is the remainder? I guess 0. It is a 10 fully cancelled divided by 2. Okay, is fully divided by 2. This is 0 output. Okay, next, I another input give 13 4. You guess what's the value output? 13 modulos 4. What is the remainder? 3 4 the 12. Okay, remainder 1. Okay, answer is 1. Okay, another input give 25 7. Okay, now guess what is the output? A modulos b. 25 by divided modulos 7 is, guess, 4. Okay, 7 4 are 21. 7 3 are 21. Remainder 4. Okay, 7 3 are 21. Remainder 4. Okay, next, I explain next video increment and decrement operator. Okay, next video is important for entry purpose and any job. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.